What's up, everybody? Back with another video. I downloaded this app called Pixar, and yeah, it's kind of fun. So we're gonna be making a withered Freddy. So this is already a withered Freddy, you might say. But I'm just gonna get that in the ear. And his leg. And you're gonna have his endoskeleton hand. So get this. There, I think that's a good arm for Freddy. Oh, it's not? I think this might be a good arm for Freddy. Okay. I think this is kind of good. But it just needs to get so shorter. There. Okay, and now need a leg. Probably like at least that big.
None of these games are good on Among Us.
Okay, so.
But Jay, how did you get there to Pixar?
Huh?
How did you get there in Pixar?
Hold on. After me video.
Pause video.
Okay, guys, so I'm back. We need an. That's the wrong endo-bendo. I'll just use this endo-bendo. Looks like Foxy's endo-bendo. Just erase that.
Does that look good?
Yeah. Okay, so and then just click this. Okay, I may have made a little mistake. Okay, so let's get this. Erase. Beep beep boop beep beep boop.
You can actually restore stuff? That's cool.
Okay, I'll just erase that all. Okay, let me try one more time.
Can we erase the whole animatronic?
Wait, what?
I think you can erase
You can erase the whole animatronic. Josh, do you want that erase thing down? Just click that blue button. Oh, okay. You don't want it down, I guess. Okay, so.
Don't want it what?
If you want that down, click the eraser. That eraser.
Yeah, I have to erase all this over again.
Okay, so. Does that look good? No. Let's see. It looks kind of funny, but. I think it's good. Okay. I'm just gonna get a normal endoskeleton. Okay. Cause it will have like
I'm going to get another animatronic and then kill it.
Oh. Not disturbing at all.
With the proxy. You're next.
No, why Foxy? Why does he have to be
I'm
next?
gonna try to repair him as good as I can.
Yeah.
So yeah, he has brain damage. He's missing a casing of his arm. Why you disappear all of a sudden?
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, that's just a Freddy. Oh.
I need you to move down a bit. Now I need to add some parts to you.
Let's see. Beep boop ching. There, I think it's good now.
I almost forgot Mangle was a thing.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah.
is this Withered Bonnie's endoskeleton thing?
Yeah, we have Withered Bonnie's and
What it looks like all of his casing was out.
yeah, that's the joy of
Oh my God,
creation.
he looks terrifying.
Yeah, no one would probably want to
It looks
mess
like
with
he has
him.
hair too.
Oh yeah, it does. Okay, so if you
Okay,
don't
now I
know
need
why I'm erasing
FNAF
Freddy's
parts.
head.
Wait, Jay, does it actually? But if you spell FNAF parts.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, it actually takes parts.
Oh, okay, now I'm gonna spell that. FNAF.
This is amazing. But it doesn't show a lot of parts though.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because you don't have that a lot of parts.
How about if I spell Foxy parts?
I found a Phantom Foxy part.
Foxy parts.
Wait, I'm gonna spell
You blind guy?
FNAF. I just want to see it. I'm curious. Oh, whoa, Josh! If you spell FNAF,
I got it. Forces me to
Mask.
put art. I do
Oh,
not want
Josh.
art. Oh my God.
Josh. If you
Case.
spell FNAF mask, this pops up. There's a balloon boy mask. That's kind of cool. Okay, so wait, who was I repairing? It was there. We need a Freddy mask. Ooh, Freddy mask.
I need to erase everything apart from.
Okay, that's not the right one.
I need to erase.
Hold on, I want to spell Freddy mask. Okay, so this one. Here we go. I have no ears. That looks better. With no ears, Freddy. Because now his jaw can be, his head can be moved down. So his jaw isn't just stuck up there. So, okay, I'll count that as saying I'm... Yeah, there we go.
Dang, Foxy has big feet.
Oh.
Foxy has big feet.
Josh.
Look at that feet.
Oh, Josh, look. Look, Josh. I'm new Freddy Bear. Josh. This might... Josh.
Wow.
I think this is what Freddy would look like if he was scrapped.
Withered Freddy, scraps Withered Freddy.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I'm gonna stop, say. Okay, so this is the end of the video. It's already been 9 minutes. Okay.
Oh, Jay, stop. It doesn't need to end that quickly.
Okay, fine. I'll just make a...
Box, baby gun.
Okay, hold on.
Wait, this is better.
Whoa.
I'm gonna try and get Fox. I'm just gonna spell Foxy. Okay. Oh my god. Give me the remote. Oh no, the remote dropped. Okay. So let's just spell Foxy. What is this? Okay. Hold on, Zay.
Baby.
Hold on. Hold on, let me spell Foxy real quick. Foxy. Foxy parts. Oh. I'm just gonna spell Foxy. Okay, that's much better.
Forcing you to spell Foxy Arts.
No. Okay, that's cool. So let me turn on Boss Baby for you real quick.
Oh,
Okay. That's just for my baby sister. Okay. So. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna make a. Okay. Oh, there's no more really Foxies. Okay, so let's just get this Foxy, and here we go. This Foxy's gonna get weak. Stop saying. Okay. Say, stop it, please.
I'm a dog. Whoa! You're coming.
Oh, okay. Sorry if you hear that, boss. Just show in the background. Okay.
Oh.
And that's a good. Now what?
I'm going to try to fix Nightmare Fredbear as best as I can.
Yeah, there's actually parts for Fredbear, I think.
I need collars. I need
Okay, so
I need the drawing capability.
my head's erased. Everything on this Foxy. Erase everything except for the legs. So I think I'm done. Yeah. And then the legs just have to be a little bit bigger. You guys think this is good? Okay. Josh, here's my fixed Foxy legs.
Now I need to add Fredbear's new
bow tie.
bow tie.
Ouch. Okay. So now let's just spawn another one of these withered Foxies. And I'm gonna erase everything. Okay, Zay, what are you? Oh, she's not here. Okay. Okay. She's not here. Guess I can just.
Wait, there's a flaming spring trap?
Yeah, you never knew a flaming spring trap?
End of the scooper.
Okay.
And we are very impressed. What is it? So tell me, what's your secret? Yellow 100.
Chica of Liberty.
It's my vision statement for baby corn. No more simply trying to be number one in the market for them. We're going to fill the pie chart.
I'm in the face.
Perfection.
Look, Cheyenne.
Wait.
I just noticed that
Hey,
my
look.
cat has been good conditioning.
Hey, what? It's flying.
Hey, get off that, Zay. Get off that. Okay, back.
What?
Now we just need to almost erase everything but his ear. So, erase everything but his ear.
Jay, is there like a way to draw on this thing to get anything?
I forget.
Sure you forget?
Yeah, I actually forget. I don't know.
I really forget about everything. So I'm trying to fix Nightmare Fredbear. The only thing I'm probably not going to be able to fix is his teeth.
Oh, yeah.
I might just erase the sharp ends of the teeth.
Mm-hmm. Hold on. Ching. Hello, what is the problem?
She helped me
What's falling?
Yes. It's a dinner.
You want me to build it?
No.
Okay.
Only food.
Zay, I'm already full.
I put in a granddaddy baby.
Yep, there's ways, girl.
Okay. There, now the hook's better. So guys, here's Foxy right now. What do you think of it? Uh-oh.
I need Nightmare
There.
Fredbear. This one.
Me. Boop. So now we're just going to erase everything but his hand. Then we should be done with Foxy the pirate. Come on. Oop. What? What? No! No! Okay. Okay.
Fix his tooth. I need to fix his tooth first.
I'm just gonna spell FNAF. FNAF. So now, what should I repair? Oh, Chica. First, we need a normal Chica. Every Chica has a cupcake. We'll use this Chica. And then we'll get the withered Chica up here. All we need is just,
I need to recolor everything with Fredbear.
oh. That sounds kind of hard.
I need a darker shade.
Oh yeah, I gotta erase everything. And then I'll have to spawn another withered Chica. Okay, so giving her hands and fixing her jaw is kind of hard. Oh no, I still have another hand. My hand. Okay. Okay, now just spawn another withered Chica. And then I just erase their head off. Okay, so
That was absolutely terrible.
what?
This, Jay. Look at this. It's absolutely terrible.
Okay, Chica, just go over here.
I need to reshape this.
Erase everything except for hands. Okay, I just got one hand for withered Chica.
Red bear.
Throw it up on the board.
Oh. Josh! I think I might have fixed withered Chica's jaw a little bit.
But you still need to fix her arms and hands. What hands?
Yes, and that's gonna be a tricky part.
Is Chica's main damage just her jaw and hands?
Yeah, I can't even put the hands on like
Because
that.
the wires.
Look,
You have to erase the wires.
Oh yeah. I mean, withered.
Hey guys, dinner time.
Zoe, we already ate dinner.
No, here.
Is it just me, or is this not the right kind of Fredbear right here?
That's like a spring Bonnie Fredbear thing.
Like mixed.
Yeah.
I need to fix everything. You know.
Okay, now we're done. So let's get a hand.
We're still brothers. Forever. I will be there.
Last time you said that, I ended up tumbling off the side of the building.
And I caught you.
Oh no, my hand! Okay, so
I need to redo its ear.
Josh, Josh, I just need to fix her jaw and put her hands back on. Then I think she'll be definitely ready to perform. Wait, let's look up I'm gonna check Chica parts.
Hey, dinner's ready. Here,
Wait, I already ate.
here is dinner.
It needs to be like a dark kind of gold.
Wait. Josh, how do you spell? Hold on. Okay. There's no Chica parts. So I'm just going to spell Chica.
And then erase the classic Chica.
Yeah. This one.
But it needs to be prototype Chica.
I know, but I'm just using that Chica's hands. Let's go to the erase.
You could just duplicate them.
Jane should be coming any minute. You really gonna watch me turn into regular baby Theodore Lindsay Templeton? What if the first thing I do is shove a raisin up my nose?
I'll be here.
Your call.
Whatever you want. Danny?
Okay. Okay.
Oh, Jay, that's perfect.
Oh. I never knew you could zoom in. How did you do that? How did you zoom in?
All I do is that.
Oh. Okay, Josh, my video's been 20 minutes. I'm gonna
Okay.
have to end this. Right,
And then
Josh?
you'll finish this, and then you'll make another part of fixing withered chica.
To me, I think she's already done.
She looks kind of weird with her hands.
Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, I don't know if this video will post, because,
It's too long.
yeah, it might be too long. Okay, I already messed her up. So, do you guys want more repairing videos?
I might make
Okay. Now, this is a peace out.